Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to tweet on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your Twitter app. Now tap on plus icon that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Write the caption of your choice. And then tap on tweet that is on the top right corner of your screen. So that is how you tweet on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.